So now that we have all of our mappings squared away and our tampering, let's go ahead and give an import a try. So I'm going to go to Structure, Feeds Importers, and I'll click Import in the paragraph here. We'll click on Import Blog Entries, and then we'll scroll down and choose a file. It's going to be in our resource pack directory in the Data to Import folder, and we're going to select Blog Stubs to Import, and let's click Import. Okay, so it says failed importing 8 nodes, and it gives us this green check mark because, hey, it at least tried. But we get some errors here that give us an indicator of what the problem was. It says user Betty Davis is not authorized to create content type blog entry. And we get that same error for Benj and Jones. So the problem here is that our users don't have the proper permissions in order to create blog entries. Well, that's easy enough to fix. We've talked about permissions in previous videos. And so what we'll do is go into our permissions settings. We'll create a role, especially for our blog contributors, and then we'll assign that role to our users. Now, it makes sense to split up our roles as granularly as possible so that we can easily mix and match them. So maybe some of our contributors in the future will contribute to our blog, maybe some of them will manage our users or our comments, and we want to make sure to specify which roles are which. And if we create roles that wrap around each one of the types of tasks that they'll perform, then it will be easy to add those particular roles to certain users without giving them unnecessary permissions.